Okay, so welcome po sa new lesson natin sa ating Ichimoku Kinko Hyo Definitive Masterclass Series. Ang bilis ng araw, no? Monday na naman. Alright, so last week, we discussed Sanyaku Koten, which means yung 3 positive signs na hinahanap natin when trying to attempt to enter a trade that we want to trend follow. Okay? Kasi yun naman talaga yung primary usage ng Ichimoku eh. Kyrie trading is good. It gives you trades when not a lot of stocks or not a lot of markets are trending. So it helps you get mean reversion trades. Okay? Parang dagdag, bonus. Pero yung main naman talaga na purpose ng Ichimoku is to try to follow a trend. So today, kukontinue natin yung lesson natin sa Sanyaku Koten and we're gonna discuss entries and exits. After this, before we continue with more setups, next Monday, ang i-discuss natin will be multi-time frame analysis using Ichimoku, no? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's start with today's lesson. So refresher lang, Sanyaku Koten, dapat nakikita natin that Tenkan-sen is above Kijun-sen. Then both of them are above the Kumo. Price is above Kumo. And Chiku span is above price. And then ideally, we want to see yung Kumo angling upwards. No? Okay. So, I'm going to discuss 3 methodologies on how you can get into a trade kapag nakahanap nyo na yung setup na hinahanap nyo. Okay? We are going to start here. Okay? Kung saan unang nagkaroon ng Kumo breakout. And as per yung mga tinuturo sa mga online resources, sa mga forums, and what have you, usually, ang hinahabol natin is Kumo breakout, papasok tayo, di ba? And in this case, okay, zoom in ko lang, no? Chiku span was above price. So, ito yon. It was even above Kumo. Okay? But let's measure it out para lang patas yung ano natin, no? Patas yung pag-assess natin. Let's measure it out 26 periods from the breakout. So, 26 bars. Whoopsie, nabitin pa. 26 bars. Okay, ito pala yun. Sorry, maliit kanina. Okay, so ito yung nakikita natin ngayon. Imagine nyo, wala pa tong price action ha. Basta yan yung nakikita natin. Nandito pa lang ang Kijun-sen and ang Tenkan-sen. Ito yung Chiku, wala pa dito sa harapan niya. Okay, now, normally ang turo is kapag nag-breakout tayo sa Kumo, pasok agad tayo. 'Di ba? Pero we know better. Number 1, hindi pa nag-i-start mag-angle pataas yung Kumo. So, may kulang. 'Di ba? Kasi nga, Sanyaku Koten, 3 positive signs, 2 positive signs ka lang. 'Di ba? Yung sa Tenkan and Kijun-sen and ito, 'di ba? So, kulang. So, kung ako, dito, just because it broke out, I won't be too eager to jump into the trade. Okay? Plus, I need to remember na kung ganito lang ang nakikita ko, yes, mukhang maganda kasi ang naiisip kagad natin, when we look at patterns, gusto natin lagi, mataas, di ba? But we are so far away from yung Senko span B na kapag mag-mean reversion bigla, ang sakit eh. So, saan ka magkakat? Okay? We'll get into that in a bit. So, yon. Ito yung normal method. Hindi natin papatulan. Okay? Now, let's move forward. Okay? Now, dito, okay, sorry, di ako sanay ng ganito kalaki ha. I-zoom out ko lang. Dito, same pa rin. May breakout tayo. Pero wala pa rin. Flat pa rin yung Kumo natin as of this point. Even if we move it 26 bars forward, 26 bars forward, flat pa rin. So, we wouldn't be in the trade. However, okay? Okay. Isipin nyo, wala pa to ha. Wala pa yung candles ha. Hindi ko kasi maalis eh. Okay? So, however, when this candle happens, Okay, now we can zoom in again. When that candle happens, we break up above the range. Okay, ito yung range highs. Or you can argue na ito na yung bagong range highs. Kung gusto mo body, whatever, it's your choice. Okay, we broke up above the range highs. Now, magsisimula tayo nung tatlong sinasabi kong pwedeng paraan kung paano ka papasok sa mga ganitong situation. Okay? Now, you can look at it and say na flat pa rin to yung Kumo. However, hindi pa natin kasi siya fino-forward ng 26 periods. Let's do so now. So, from here, 26, we're starting to angle upwards. Diba? Up to here. Okay? We're starting to angle upwards. We're actually stair-stepping up. Whereas dito, kung titignan natin, makapal yung Kumo and essentially, buhol-buhol lang ang lahat. Dito, we're stair-stepping up and in this candle, diba, Chikou span is well above price. Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are both pointed upwards and above Kumo, and Tenkan-sen is above Kijun-sen, no? Diba? And we broke up above the high of the range. So now, your first option will be to just enter the trade end of day. Or kung tumitingin kayo sa hourly, then end of the hour. Or kung tumitingin kayo sa 2 hours, then end of the 2 hours. 30 minutes, end of the 30 minutes. Basta end of the period nung candle na yon. Okay? Where do you put your stop? Diba? So, now, marunong na tayo na dapat tinitignan natin yung kaya to pino-project to the front. Diba? Tinitignan natin yung Senko span B sa future. So, I want my stop to be below this area. In this case, I am willing to put it either below this candle or just below this one para lang may konting allowance. Okay? Hindi naman pwede lagi saktong-sakto. Okay? Konting allowance. So either here or here. Again, that's up to you. That's up to how you want to approach each trade. Kasi each trade will be different eh. May mga pagkakataon na clear-cut na dapat dito lang talaga. May mga pagkakataon na hindi. Okay? So that's approach number 1. Approach number 2 is wait for a pullback to the high end of the range that price just broke out from. Okay? Kung mas conservative ka, gusto mo makatipid, pwedeng itong line yung targetin mo. Okay? Teka, wag nga ito gamitin ko, gumugulo eh. Pwedeng itong line yung targetin mo kung saan ka bibili. In this case, hindi ka nabalikan. Pwedeng itong sa taas kasi dyan naman talaga siya nag-breakout. Diba? Clear breakout. You would have gotten filled. It's up to you. Okay? Ako, usually kapag hindi ako sure, ang ginagawa ko, magalagay ako bids pareho. Kung na-hit, then my average price will be somewhere in the middle. But, again, this is a personal choice. Kasi, depende yan sa conviction nyo eh. Kung feeling nyo talaga, super bullish, hindi kayo naniniwala na magpo-pullback siya dito sa mas malalim na level, di wag nyo hintayin, pay up for the privilege to enter earlier. And if you're right, then you're in the trade. If not, then mas mataas ang konti average nyo. Regardless, you're in the trade na. Okay? So, yun yung second method. Okay? The third method is to wait for a pullback sa bagong magfo-form na area. In this case, it's this. Okay? Nagkaroon tayo ng bullish candle here. Okay? Hindi siya eksakto umabot pero nag-close tayo ng bullish. You can start watching from there kung gusto nyo pumasok. Okay? Tapos, meron akong optional 3A. Kasi alam ko, may mga tao na ayaw tumitingin ng ganito. Ayaw nilang babasahin pa nila yung price action. That's fine. You can wait for a pullback to the Kijun-sen. Tapos, may bullish price action or bullish price structure. In this case, meron kang malinis na hammer. Okay? So, ayan na. Option 1, buy on breakout. Option 2, buy on initial pullback. Option 3, wait for it to form. Pag nag-breakout ulit, buy on the pullback to the top end of that range. Kasi ngayon, sure ka na. Meron ka ng bagong high eh. So may high, higher high na. Guaranteed na yun eh. 'Di ba? Tapos buy either kung bumalik doon or on bullish price action. Or optionally, 3A, buy on the pullback to Kijun-sen. Now, when I say buy on the pullback to Kijun-sen, and again, this is just me, I only like buying on the first pullback. Pag second or more pullback na, hindi na ako usually hahabol. Pag na-miss ko, na-miss ko. Okay? Now, in either case, price would have moved up. Okay? Kung lagi mong ginagamit is yung 26 period lang forward ng price. So in this case, parang ganito. Pwedeng nandito na ngayon yung stop mo. Tumaas na. Okay? Tapos kunyari ito, nag-breakout ulit. Ganyan lang. Para sinusundan mo lang, di ba? Sinusundan mo lang. Follow ka lang ng follow. Okay, tumataas lang tayo. Tapos, dito, nung mabilis yung acceleration pababa, based sa lesson natin from before, dapat di ganun, di ba? Hindi ganun kabilis. Dapat may time component. So, pagka ganito, nakita nyo pumapangit na, magbibigay na naman ako ng different options. Kasi alam ko, iba-iba rin ang gustong pamamaraan ng mga tao mag-cut. Okay? First, is to wait hanggang mabasag yung Senko Span A. Okay? Bakit Senko Span A? Kasi kung mabilis yung acceleration pababa, nabasag na. So, isipin mo itong candle na to. Let's say from this high. Let's get the 26 bars again. Okay? From this high, we were looking at, ito yung ano natin eh. Diba? Ito yung Senko Span B. So, ang anticipation natin is price could come back, test the equilibrium, and then react from there. Pero ano nangyari? Ang bilis ng bulusok, di ba? Parang nang pinag-usapan natin from previous lessons. So, pag ganon, mabilis, lalabas na ako at the break of Senko Span A. What are your other options? Pag mas aggressive ka naman mag-cut, okay? Feeling mo talaga, pangit na. Kapag yung price nag-close below Kijun-sen, okay, attempt to go back above it, fails, and breaks down, cut na. Bakit hindi ka magka-cut agad kapag ka nag-below Kijun-sen? Number one, pwede naman. Wala namang pipigil sa'yo. Pero, since you're trying to ride the trend, you want to give your trade room to breathe. Hindi mo kasi alam kung ito na ba yung bottom, pwede na ano. So you want to give your trade room to breathe. When it pulled back here, hindi pa naman siya masama tignan In fact, ito yung previous structure low 'Di ba? Around here. Around this area, yung previous structure low. We never even touched that. We never even got close. Well, we did get close, but barely. Sandali lang. Nag-close tayo sa taas din. So, again, either break from Kijun-sen, pull back, tried to push back up, ayaw, nag-collapse ulit, cut, or mag-below Senko Span A, cut, or kung talagang matindi yung paniniwala mo, talagang very high yung conviction mo, then when it breaks, Senko Span B, cut na. Okay? When I say Senko Span B, yung 26 periods forward, ha? So, kunyari, eto na, pababa na tayo dito. 26 periods forward is ito. Diba? From here to there. So, wala, di ka pa cut. At this point, 26 periods forward, nandyan, wala pa. Pero itong candle na to, by the time it got here, 26 periods forward, we were below Senko Span B na. So, cut na tayo. Okay? Optionally, again, ayaw nyo pa rin yung pareho. Pinipilit nyo na dapat. Ay, hindi lang pala pareho. Yung tatlo. Ayaw nyo yung babasahin nyo pa yung sa Kijun-sen. Ayaw nyo yung sa Senko Span A. Ayaw nyo pa rin yung sa Senko Span B. Okay? Pag ayaw nyo lahat yun, then what you're looking for is the reverse of Sanyaku Koten. If Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen are now below price and Tenkan-sen is below Kijun-sen, Chikou Span is below price and price is below Kumo, cut na. Pag ayaw nyo pa rin yun, golf na lang, no? Kasi, mahirap na. Hindi pwede yung wala kang circuit breaker eh. Hindi pwedeng walang cut eh. Okay? So, nagbigay ako ng maraming suggestions. Now, if you ask me, ano yung personal preference ko? It's yung pag nag-breakdown ng Kijun-sen, tries to go back above it, fails and then collapses, dun ako nagka-cut. Yun yung personal preference ko. I don't trade a lot of trend following, I'll be very honest. But when I do, okay, when I use Ichimoku and when I trade ng trend follow, talaga may strong trend ako sinusundan. Yun yung tinitingnan ko. Bakit? Kasi may mga parang ganito eh, na mag-breakdown siya, sandali lang, babalik din niya. We've seen it time and time and time again. Nung unang pag-angat ng IRC, here, di ba, noong 2018, kahit na saan ka pumasok, mati-take out ka eh. Kung kunwari, tinitignan mo lang, okay, nag-break below Kijun-sen, cut na ako, so cut ka dyan, cut ka dito, cut ka dyan, di ba, cut ka dito, and so on and so forth eh. Walang katapusan. So, it's not enough. Hindi naman ako mahilig na tumitingin ako sa Senko Span A lang. Ang personal preference ko is tumitingin pa rin ako ng price action. So, as a compromise to myself, what I do is yun nga. If it breaks down below Kijun-sen, tries to push back up, fails, then breaks back down again, cut na. Wala nang isip-isip pa. Okay? So, yun lang yung lesson natin for today, no? Very simple, very straightforward. Okay? Sa mga nanonood ng video na to, so far, may natutunan ba kayo? Please, let me know sa comment section. Okay? Ginawa nyo ba yung assignment from last time? If you want me to check yung mga assignments nyo, you can join our Discord channel. Again, you can do that by joining our free newsletter. Subscribe to our free newsletter. Tapos, when you receive the email, scroll down sa baba, may link to join our Discord channel. Again, it's entirely free. Diba? I can check your assignments. We can discuss kung meron mga kayong mga questions na baka ayaw nyo itanong sa YouTube, ayaw nyo i-comment. Okay? And also, for today's lesson, assignment ulit. Hanapin nyo yung mga ganitong setup. Tignan nyo, ano yung mga mas angkop sa inyo? Ano yung mas mabilis na ikita ng mga mata nyo? Then backtest it. Diba? I-backtest nyo na mabuti. Tignan nyo, nag-work ba? Baka naman nag-iimbento lang si Grumpy Trader. Baka naman pumuputak lang, hindi naman niya tinesto. Basta naghanap lang ng chart na mukhang gumana, okay na yun. Okay? Huwag kayong maniniwala sa akin. I-backtest nyo muna. I-backtest nyo, see if what I say works, see what's most comfortable to you, then backtest it, see if it works. Diba? Backtest it properly. Alam ko kapag sa Investa, yung mga Investa Prime or something, baka may replay feature. Again, I'm not sure kasi wala ako nun eh. Okay? So, you can do that. If may replay feature, try nyo yung mga sinabi ko. Try nyo i-trade. See if it works out for you. Okay? If it doesn't, let me know. Diba? Let me know. Tapos, again, kung may questions, huwag mahihiya. Magtanong lang either sa comment section or just join our Discord server. Everyone's welcome. That said, if you like this video, if you like this series, I would really appreciate it if you consider subscribing to my channel. Every little bit helps. And maybe giving this video a like. Okay? And as always, good luck and happy trading.